Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology and innovation. Today, we have an exciting topic that has been transforming the way we live, work, and interact with machines: artificial intelligence, or AI. Hi there. In this video, we'll explore what AI is, how it works, and the incredible impact it's having on our society. So let's jump right in. Artificial intelligence, in simple terms, refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and even understanding human language. Believe it or not, AI is all around us, often working behind the scenes. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to personalized recommendations on streaming platforms, AI has become an integral part of our daily lives. One of the most exciting aspects of AI is its diverse range of applications. Autonomous vehicles are becoming a reality, revolutionizing transportation. AI-powered medical systems are aiding doctors in accurate diagnoses, leading to better patient outcomes. And financial institutions are using AI algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, making more informed decisions. Now you might be wondering, how does AI actually work? Well, at the core of AI lies a technique called machine learning. Machine learning allows computer systems to learn and improve from data without being explicitly programmed. There are two primary types of machine learning: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, the AI system is trained using labeled data, where it learns to make predictions based on known outcomes. On the other hand, unsupervised learning involves finding patterns and relationships within data without any predetermined labels. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and researchers and developers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're witnessing breakthroughs in natural language processing, computer vision, and even robotics. It's an incredibly exciting time to be part of this journey. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and solve complex problems, but it's important to address ethical considerations, like bias in AI algorithms, and ensuring transparency and accountability in decision-making processes. Absolutely. As AI continues to advance, it's crucial that we have discussions around ethics, privacy, and the potential impact on jobs. Embracing AI while being mindful of these concerns will pave the way for a brighter and more inclusive future. And that's a wrap on our exploration of AI. We've only scratched the surface of this vast and transformative technology. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the future is now, with artificial intelligence.